Have you ever wondered if there's a way to unlock your phone or access your bank account without a password? Imagine a world where you don't have to remember a single PIN, password, or secret phrase ever again. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is already here, and it's called biometric authentication. Biometric authentication is a technology that verifies your identity using something that's uniquely yours: your fingerprint, face, voice, or even the way you walk. No more forgotten passwords, no more sticky notes with secret codes, just you, being you. So how does it work? It's simpler than you might think. First, the system scans and captures your unique features. For instance, a fingerprint scanner takes an image of the ridges and valleys of your fingerprint. For facial recognition, the system maps key points on your face to create a biometric template. Next, this template is stored securely in encrypted form. No, it's not a photo of your face or a raw image of your fingerprint. It's a complex mathematical representation that's nearly impossible to reverse engineer. When it's time to unlock your device or access a service, the system captures your biometric data again and compares it to the stored template. If it matches, you're in. If not, access is denied. So, why is it considered more secure? Unlike passwords, which can be guessed, stolen, or shared, your biometric traits are uniquely yours. Hackers can't guess your face or voice. And with features like liveness detection, systems can tell if it's a real person in front of the scanner, not a photo or recording. You've probably seen biometric authentication in action. It's in your phone's fingerprint or face unlock, banking apps that scan your face for logins, and even airport security systems that let you breeze past long lines. But here's the real kicker. As more devices and services adopt biometrics, passwords could become a thing of the past. No more forgot password emails. No more typing secret codes in public. Just tap, look, or speak, and you're in. Biometric authentication isn't just convenient, it's the future of security. It's fast, it's personal, and it's far more secure than any password you've ever used. So next time you unlock your phone with a glance, remember, you're living in the future.